Hello everyone and welcome to Optimal Movement Method. Today we will look into ways to improve our breathing and lung capacity. But first we need to know how to identify dysfunctional breathing pattern and common mechanical factors affecting it. Many people don't realize that they are not breathing properly and may have a dysfunctional breathing pattern. A dysfunctional breathing pattern may lead to stress, anxiety, chronic pain, increased heart rate, fatigue and many more problems. Let's do a simple test. Stand in front of a mirror and take a deep breath. If you notice your neck muscles are tightening and your shoulders are going up, you might have a dysfunctional breathing pattern. Ideally, your rib cage should expand 360 degrees without elevation of shoulders. Another way you can check is by keeping your hands on the sides and feel the expansion of your rib cage. Limited ribcage movement indicates shallow breathing and reduced lung capacity. There can be many reasons leading to dysfunctional breathing, like injury, lung conditions, tight fitted clothing, or sitting for prolonged hours. Now you must be thinking, what's with sitting and breathing? It's a relaxing position. Let's do another test. Sit upright, place your hands on the side of your rib cage and take a deep breath. Feel the expansion of your rib cage. Now slouch, what the majority of people do when sitting, and repeat the same thing and feel the difference. You will notice two things. First, ribcage expansion reduces and you can't breathe in as much as compared to sitting upright. So here are the 4 exercises to improve ribcage mobility and retraining the main breathing muscle, which is your diaphragm. First is abdominal stretch. Lie facing down with hands next to your shoulder. Now breathe in and lift your chest off the ground and feel a nice stretch on your abdominal muscles. You don't have to hold your breath. Keep breathing normally. Hold the position for 20-30 seconds and repeat. Second is side stretch. Stand with feet shoulder width apart. Lift one arm up and now together while taking a deep breath, start bending sideways. Exhale through the mouth and come back. This exercise will help you stretch your lats, abdominal and intercostal muscles. It will also improve the ribcage mobility. Third is side lying stretch. Lie down on your side, both arms straight out. Now bring one arm up and across while engaging your shoulder blade. Stay there and take a deep breath, hold for 3 seconds and breathe out while relaxing your upper body. You will notice your arm can go lower. Repeat 2-3 times and switch sides. This exercise will help you stretch your pecs, intercostal muscles and improve ribcage mobility. And the last is diaphragmatic breathing. Lie down with your knees bent. Keep one hand on your stomach and other on your chest. Take a deep breath through your nose and breathe out through your mouth, pursed lip. As you breathe in and out, the hand on your stomach should go up and down and not the one which is on your chest. This exercise will retrain the main breathing muscle, which is your diaphragm. Practice this for 5 to 10 minutes. Enjoy the exercises and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss any videos. If you like the video, do let me know by giving a thumbs up and a comment. Stay fit, keep going, love life.